A taxi driver found a briefcase in his back seat. Inside were documents worth millions in illegal profits. The passenger offered him $50,000 to forget what he saw. Mike had bills piling up. His daughter's college tuition was due. His house was heading to foreclosure. But those documents showed massive fraud. Thousands of people's retirement savings were being stolen. He could have taken the money and looked the other way. Instead, he drove straight to the SEC. The next 8 months were brutal. The corrupt firm tried to intimidate him. He lost corporate clients. Money got tighter than ever. But those documents helped convict a major CEO and recover $800 million in stolen retirement funds. The SEC offered Mike a job as a financial crimes investigator. The families who got their savings back started a fund that paid for his daughter's entire education. Mike said the hardest part wasn't choosing between right and wrong. It was learning that real wealth isn't what's in your bank account. It's being able to look at yourself in the mirror. One choice changed everything.